see. Another new town right there at my feet. A coffee in a flask, sun on the glass, rolling through the lanes, making moments last. I'm off again to see what's around the bend. One more stop, one more story to send. Travels in my van, travels in my van. Peter's on the road, travels in my van. Show you every town, show you where I've been. Travels in my van, come ride with me again.
Today I'm in York.
On Monday. Yeah.
Olha, tem isso aqui, ó. Isso é um livrinho de Roberts. Ó, é um mini livro. Deixa eu ver esse mini livro. É uma história, só que é mini livro.
What time is it?
I'll go there first. I think that's probably
Walking down the Shambles in York. We'll have a little look round here, and I think there's a nice little food court we can have a look at. Oh, that smells gorgeous down here. Yeah, lots of good street food. Fish and chips. It ain't too bad actually, 11 quid. You go back down this alleyway. Oh, it seems a bit haunted, this one, it's freezing. So back down this one then, and back onto the Shambles. And you can look up there, you can still see the butcher's hooks. And when this used to be a the main street for. Butchering and the blood would run down the drains, down the streets, as the meat would be hung up. Hey, hey. So that's the main street of this Shambles. It's only a little tiny street, a bit like this little tiny house. Look at this. It is busy, but it's not too busy for Sunday. And even though it's busy, everybody seems to be nice and relaxed, chilled out. No rushing and pushing. Lots of lovely street vendors around as well, ice cream and pancakes and fresh lemonade, look. There in the background, that's where we're going to head now over to Minster. Here's a great place to eat, the Yorkie Pud from the Yorkshire Roast Company. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
sorry.
Come on, roll. Do the characters.
Really is a beautiful city. The streets are like really accessible, no traffic. A mix of the old and new. If you look at the tops of the houses, of the shops, a lot of them are still in residence. There's so many great places to eat. Little bars and pubs, Italian restaurants.
Yeah, we'll certainly. $2,850. They swap away.
I think I'm going to go inside. I know it costs to get in, but that's fine with me. I think it's beautiful, so let's take a look inside. Hello. Hello. So here we are in the York Minster. Taking a look round. I've got to say I'm absolutely flabbergasted by the architecture. It's breathtaking, look at it. It's time for food. So I went for lunch in the Eagle and Child and I had myself a roast beef dinner which was around £15, and I'll have to tell you, it was excellent. Anyway, back to the walls. We're going to walk the walls now around the city of York. This is the section we're at the minute. So it's 1.9 miles to do them all. Mind the step. It's literally castle walls that surround the city. Some beautiful houses and gardens here. Absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful day and all. Definite a must do if you're coming to York. What an absolutely beautiful day. Walking the city walls at York. I must say it's absolutely fantastic. Beautiful views. There's the Minster there. Don't forget, get yourself over to travelsinmyvan.com. Get onto the walks and hikes page and have a look. You'll see hundreds of different walks and hikes, and if you want to discover somewhere you are, go to TIMV Discover on the travelsinmyvan.com menu.
Which is that's the treasurer's house.
That's this section done. Back into the town. Into the city, I should say.
The cream goes up, and then you whack the jam. There's some amazing little shops around here. And all independents too. This is one high street that ain't closing down. I just heard an American say a minute ago about this building here. That building's a couple of 100 years older than his whole country. Makes you wonder, doesn't it, how much history we've got here actually. And look at the architecture of that. It's fantastic.